Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the euro-dollar pair and the recent events during the markets. Greg?
The euro-dollar pair has gained 0.3% in the last session. The Williams indicator shifted sharply into positive territory. Facebook stock has fallen 0.3% in the last session. The CCI plunged into the negative area. The sterling-dollar pair has fallen 1.1% in the last two sessions. The stochastic RSI is heating up and is now giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair has lost 0.8% in the last two sessions. The Williams indicator is sinking and is now entering the oversold area.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
PayPal's crypto trading goes live in the U.S., and its customers will be able to trade up to $20,000 a week. The technology sector regained strength on Wall Street, with the Nasdaq surging over 2%, while the S&P 500 registered a smaller gain. Q3 UK growth sees unsurprising record rise. However, Q4 looks set to contract after renewed national lockdowns.
Thank you for this. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The Japanese GDP will be released on Sunday at 23:50 GMT. The Japanese capacity utilization Monday at 4:30 GMT. The Canadian wholesale sales Tuesday at 13:30 GMT. The Eurozone CPI Wednesday at 10:00 GMT. The Canadian CPI Wednesday at 13:30 GMT. And the Japanese CPI Thursday at 23:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.